Welcome to this bookwidgets tutorial. In this tutorial we will be learning how to create a YouTube video link. First of all, click on Create New Widget, and from the Video and Pictures section you'll find a YouTube player. Now the YouTube player, this particular widget is very good for adding to ebooks so that you can play videos from YouTube. So in order to do that, I'm going to give it a name, medieval video, and I'm going to paste in a link from YouTube. So from YouTube, I've searched YouTube, found my video, brought it up, and then I'm going to click share to share that video. I'm going to copy the link, and then I'm going to go back to my widget and paste in my URL here. I'm not going to bother with a covering image in this particular one, but if I go to preview, you'll see exactly how that will look. And this is basically the video available for playing. So this is a great widget which you can use for popping into electronic books, iBooks or ebooks.